Hello friends, the colder weather always makes me want to bust out the cinnamon and eat cookies wrapped up in a blanket. Hence, these vegan snickerdoodle cookies. Let's get baking. First, bring the coconut oil to a slightly solid state. If it is too hard, melt it a little in the microwave, or let it sit in the fridge for a few minutes if it is liquid. Add sugar and cream until light and fluffy. Add in the non-dairy milk and the unsweetened applesauce. Mix everything together. Next, add in the cream of tartar, baking soda, salt, and the plain flour. Mix until most of the flour is incorporated and a nice cookie dough forms. Let's make the cinnamon sugar by taking some sugar and slowly adding in the ground cinnamon. I like a lot of cinnamon in mine. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop out some dough. Toss it in the cinnamon sugar until it's completely coated. Place the dough ball onto a baking sheet and press it down. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. If you prefer a crispy bottom, take it all the way to 12 minutes. The cookies will be puffy when they come out. Let them cool down completely before enjoying. And there you have it, some weirdly named cookies with a slightly weird but addictive taste. If you liked these snickerdoodle cookies, please also like this video and subscribe for more vegan baking content. Thank you for watching.